Canada, Denmark here. And I saw your video for you talking about how you can beat America and all your little silly sports. That's fine. I don't care if you can beat America. But then, you said other nations, which got me involved. So I'm going to show you my professional skills. Check it out. Hey, Canada, you forgot about bowling. Pro's going to show you how to do it. Oh yeah. Well, you always get 2 tries. Bowling's not a real sport anyways. This.